So this is how you can fix Discord from the update failed retrying. This can work for either mobile or PC, so you're gonna want to watch carefully. Now, as you can see, here's my Discord right here. Let's simply go to our settings and then scroll down and tap on support. And by the way, if you can't open Discord, which is what led you to finding this video, there is a much easier option, but this basically makes sure that we don't get this problem anymore after it. So, in here, you're going to want to submit a request, like according to what problem you're facing. Once you're done with that, or actually, if you want to do the second step first, which is the most optimal, you can do so by just deleting the Discord app and then downloading it back. Sometimes it bugs, sometimes it lags, and the only way to actually fix it, like very easily without anything complex, is by deleting it and then re-downloading it and then logging back in. That really is the easiest way because sometimes, it glitches out and there's nothing you can really do. So, from what I can see or from what I've experienced, I just deleted the app. It's simple, just tap on delete. You can also do this on PC, by the way. Delete it, go back to the App Store or whatever website you got Discord from, and then download it from there. After that, do what I did. I went to support, and now you can submit a request with the problem you're facing, so it's not going to happen anymore in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments